am king. No other animal will break my stride, break my stride. My brother, when I'm king, you always take my side. Ha, yeah, right, that's right. When I am king, no other animal will break our pride, break our pride. My brother, I pray may run away, but they can't hide. Watch your height. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, did your mama say you could be up this way? Okay, she didn't say hide away, let's go. Hey, did your father say you could be up this way? Okay, we're on the way, run away, let's go. Hey, did your mama say you could be up this way? I'm doing really fast, let's go. Hey, did your father say you could be up this way? Make a wish on the brother star, and I say, I always wanted a brother, I always wanted a brother, I always wanted a brother just like you. I always wanted a brother, I always wanted a brother, I always wanted a brother just like you. You see that tree? Those birds are watching the world unfold, the world unfold. My brother, when I'm king, they will do as they're told. You may look down on them, they are free. Can't catch me, and where they go cannot be controlled. No one looks down on me, they look down on us, brother. Some things you chase, but you cannot hold. Okay, it's getting old. Let's go, let's go. Hey, did your mama say you could be like this way? I got to find a way, let's go. I heard his father say he doesn't want this way. I dare you to say that again to my face. What do you say about my brother? I'm not afraid that's my brother. You stay away from my brother, cause I say so. You put your cross on my brother. You meet the judge of his brother. Go to the left of my brother. Where'd he go? I always wanted a brother. I still remember my mother. One season after another. One season after another. Season after another. One season after another. Everyone sing for my brother. Do anything for my brother. Can I be king with my brother by my side? I always wanted a brother. Now we rely on each other. One season after another. Hey, move faster. I race to the other side. Race